we'll guide you through how to make coloring book in Ibis Paint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials like this because apps like Ibis Paint have many features that can feel overwhelming at first. Beginners want clear, step-by-step guidance to create clean line art and effects quickly. It also helps users learn efficient workflows, improve their digital drawing skills, and achieve polished results without confusion or trial and error. Begin by opening your Start menu and typing Ibis Paint into the search bar. When the application appears, left-click on the icon to launch it. Once the app is open, choose My Gallery to access your workspace. To create a new project, click the plus icon located on the upper bar. Next, select your preferred canvas dimensions and pixels. You may either input custom pixel values or choose from the available default options. After deciding, click on your selected dimension to open the canvas. To add your target image, go to the bottom menu bar and choose the layer option, then left-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Import Image and click it. Browse and pick your preferred image, then resize it so it fits your canvas or matches your desired size. Once satisfied, confirm by clicking the checklist icon. When a pop-up menu appears, choose Extract Line Drawing to process the image. After that, pick a color by right-clicking on the image's fill color. Then, add a new layer by returning to the layer option and clicking the plus icon. On this new layer, prepare to draw a rectangle. Go to the upper option bar and choose the drawing tools, represented by a finger icon. Select the rectangle shape tool. Enable the fill by clicking the slider and choose your current color. Close the tool options when ready. Position your pointer at the top left corner of the canvas. Then click and hold while dragging it down to the bottom right corner. Release the mouse to complete the rectangle. Next, open the layer option again and left-click on the blend setting. Choose Divide as the blending mode and adjust the opacity until you achieve your desired result. Finally, save your project by clicking the Export option, indicated by a left-pointing arrow icon. Select Save Image and wait for the rendering process to complete.